Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your savings with PepsiCo detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the importance of protecting your savings. Research PepsiCo's financial stability and performance history. Look into the company's stock trends over the past few years. Assess PepsiCo's dividend history, focusing on consistency and growth. Determine if PepsiCo's financial metrics align with your investment goals. Consider the benefits of diversifying your portfolio with PepsiCo shares. Evaluate how PepsiCo fits within your overall financial strategy. Review various investment platforms that offer PepsiCo stock. Open an investment account if you do not already have one. Fund your investment account with the amount you intend to invest. Purchase PepsiCo shares through your chosen investment platform. Monitor your investment regularly to stay updated on any changes. Stay informed about market trends that may affect PepsiCo's performance. Read financial news and reports about PepsiCo for insights. Adjust your investment strategy as necessary based on performance. Consider the long-term benefits of holding onto your PepsiCo shares. Seek advice from a financial advisor if you're unsure about your decisions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.